Floating solar plants installed on quarry lakes can reduce the electricity cost for quarry owners, whether because they receive revenue from the grid-injected electricity or because the FPV plant is connected in-house. That is, for example, the case of Mayval project. Quarry pumps can present some challenges, though. For Mayval project, we had to develop a brand new anchoring system, the parabolic mooring line, due to site constraints, being continuous operation and a large width to cover. On-site challenges can also be encountered during the construction of the floating solar platform, requiring on-site adaptations.
Le sol au fond est très dur et on a dû changer nos outils, on a dû adapter les ancres et changer aussi les méthodes de travail pour réussir à finaliser le projet dans le temps voulu.
Another challenge can also come from the water type. Indeed, some quarry reservoirs have polluted water, which can be corrosive. We can also meet challenges with disused quarry ponds. CCEP project was, for example, built on a former mining area with a very irregular bottom profile. It required a particular attention for the anchoring design. Terrials is another disused quarry pond, which was rehabilitated with floating solar.